Understanding articles in English. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. In English, there are three articles, a, and the. These are divided into two types. Indefinite articles, a and an. Definite article, the. Let's understand each in detail. 1. Indefinite articles, a and an. Indefinite articles are used when we refer to a non-specific person or thing. They are used before singular countable nouns when the noun is mentioned for the first time. A versus. An basic rule. Use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. Using before words that begin with a vowel sound, a, e, I, o, u. Examples. A car, a teacher, a house, a university. Here university starts with a U sound, which is a consonant sound. An apple, an elephant, an hour, silent H, an idea. When to use a or an. 1. When mentioning something for the first time. I saw a movie last night. She has an umbrella. 2. When referring to one of many. I need a pen. Not a specific pen, any pen. He wants to eat an orange. 3. With jobs or professions. She is a doctor. He is an engineer. 4. With numbers and quantity. A dozen eggs. An hour and a half. 5. With certain expressions of frequency. Once a day. Twice a week. 60 kilometers an hour. 2. Definite article, the. Is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. It can be used with singular, plural, countable, and uncountable nouns. When to use the. 1. When the noun is already known to the speaker and listener. I saw a dog. The dog was barking loudly. She bought a book. The book is very interesting. 2. When there is only one of something. The sun is shining. The moon looks bright tonight. The Prime Minister will speak today. 3. With superlatives. He is the best player in the team. This is the most beautiful painting I've seen. 4. With unique things or specific places. The Earth. The Taj Mahal. The Pacific Ocean. The Eiffel Tower. 5. With names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, and deserts. The Ganga, the Nile. The Himalayas. The Sahara. The Red Sea. 6. With names of newspapers, organizations, and books. The Times of India. The United Nations. The Bible. 7. With musical instruments. He plays the guitar. She is learning the piano. 8. With certain geographical names. The Netherlands. The United States. The Philippines. When not to use an article, zero article. There are times when we do not use any article. This is known as the zero article. No article is used. 1. With plural nouns and uncountable nouns, when talking generally. Dogs are loyal animals. Water is essential for life. Children like sweets. 2. With proper nouns, names of people in most countries, cities. I met Rahul yesterday. She lives in Canada. We went to Delhi last week. 3. With meals, languages, and subjects. We had lunch at 1 p.m. He speaks Spanish. I love mathematics. 4. With days, months, and festivals. He was born on Monday. Diwali is a major festival. July is very hot. Special cases and exceptions. 1. Using the with names. We say the Ganga but not the India. Use the when the name refers to a group of islands or states or includes a common noun. The United Kingdom, the United States, the Maldives. 2. Words that begin with a vowel letter but not a vowel sound. A university sounds like university. A European country. A one-time offer. 3. Words that begin with a consonant letter but a vowel sound. An hour, silent H. An honest person. An heir to the throne.